You know how many lines? Riyadh Metro is coming soon to Riyadh. You know that, the metro. How many lines is there in the metro?
I don't know.
I don't know. Six. 4. 10. 10 are connecting the city?
No.
No? You know how many lines? How many lines?
I'm not sure.
Okay, the metro. You know how many lines is there in Riyadh?
507.
507 metro lines. And about you?
I don't know.
9 metro lines.
Nine metro lines. 11. Okay. Now no need to calibrate. You can start.
Hello, my name is Sif Sharara. I'm in the school DISR and I'm in grade 6. Today, Airbus Foundation presented to us Little Engineer and we constructed robots and we learned a lot about Riyadh's new metro station. I would highly recommend it for kids and it's really fun.
Hello, my name is Mikal. I'm 11 and I'm here at the DISR school. Today I learned about how to program a robot and how to make a robot. It was very fun and thanks to the Airbus Foundation.
Oh, hi, my name is Arif Rizwan. I am 15. I am here in the DISR and today I learned how to build a robot, how to program the robot and some information about the metro that is being built here in Riyadh. And I'd like to thank the Airbus Foundation for this.
Hey, go!